Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to use Leonardo AI for beginners. Let's get started first. Open your web browser, go to the Leonardo AI website and click the option to get started. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Otherwise, create a new account using the available sign-up options. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Leonardo AI dashboard. Look for the image generation or image creation option and open it. This is where you'll create your AI-generated images. Now you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe the image you want Leonardo AI to create. For example, you could type, "A futuristic city at sunset, cinematic lighting, highly detailed, realistic." The more specific your description is, the better you can control the result. Before generating the image, you can adjust different settings depending on the options available. You may be able to choose things such as the image dimensions, number of images, style, or model. If you're a beginner, you can leave most of the settings at their default values. Once your prompt and settings are ready, click the Generate button. Leonardo AI will process your prompt and create the images. Wait a few moments for the results to appear. Once the images are generated, look through the results and choose the one you like best. If you don't like the results, simply improve your prompt and generate another set of images. For example, you can add more details about the lighting, environment, camera angle, colors, or artistic style. When you've found an image you like, open it and look for the download option. Click Download to save the generated image to your computer. You can now use the image for your personal projects, designs, presentations, or other content, subject to Leonardo AI's current terms and licensing rules. You've now learned the basics of how to use Leonardo AI to create images. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.